Need to put the key mechanism back in so that way it's got the look for it.
Oh, for sure.
Kind of one of those guys, if it runs and drives, don't mess with it too much.
It's also expensive to fix.
I got an older, you saw that bike, and anytime I try to fix that thing, something else breaks. So it's like, if it runs, just don't touch it.
Yeah.
Let it be it.
Yeah. There's kind of a thing with old car guys too. You have two groups. You have the group where it's like, oh, it runs, it's great, and then the other group where it's like, oh no, it's not running perfectly, it's broken.
No, if it starts and drives, we're leaving it alone.
Especially for a car like this, because like you said, getting parts for it.
God forbid you accidentally break something you can't find. And
yeah.
Just like you said, like the Model A's and stuff, I can find things on them, but I can't find any information on this. I even bought the owner's manual, and it's still extremely vague on a lot of things.
Yep.
Which I would just assume back in the day they just kind of knew how to do this stuff.
Do you have the owner's manual or the service manual?
Little service papers.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you under the seat. It's like a free copy of one.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I always tell people, if you're getting into antique cars, get a Model A just because the parts. You're just not searching for them. You can buy anything. Whereas something like this, you got to kind of go hunting.
And everybody thinks this is a Model A anyways when they see it.
That's true.
It's crazy, got a lot of attention, and then I tinted the windows, and it's like people see it more with the tinted windows.
It was actually funny, I noticed the tinted windows when I first pulled up.
Makes it so much cooler too.
Oh my god, I bet. Because I bet that heat coming from the firewall too.
Yeah, but I mean, man, this window helps crazy with the air conditioning.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and you'll definitely have to send me a link. I'd like to see your video of this stuff. Just
Yeah,
like
man.
you said, like, not everything's to make money. If you enjoy what you're doing, they say the money comes after that.
Oh yeah. And again, it's one of those things that I wanted as a kid, because I couldn't find these videos. So it's like, well, I'll just post these videos and just kind of help people see what the cars look like. Yeah, that's totally, this is great, man.
I'm kind of hoping we can find everything. I can find rebuild kits and stuff online for it. But we'll keep her alive.
Oh yeah, dude. And it's, you know, another thing with this kind of car, it's like the do whatever you want car. Like if you run through a stop sign, they're like, eh.
Yeah, they just like, yeah, fuck them.
Like, this is fine.
They're too stuck looking at it. They're like, did he just run through that stop sign?
But yeah, it's a real kind of nerdy group that like these cars.
And I drive so slow, I feel like people are going to be mad behind me, but they just drive by, give me the thumbs up. I'm like, hell yeah.
Oh yeah, they don't care. It sounds pretty good too. It's got kind of a little throaty sound.
And the first thing I usually do is throw exhaust on everything. I've got the exhaust pipe. I'm like, you know what? Just leave it.
Just leave it, man.
Oh, there we go.